Human reproduction is a truly awe-inspiring process, a marvel of nature that begins with the smallest of cells. It is the biological act that ensures the continuation of our species, a dance of life that has been occurring for millions of years. From a single cell, a new human being is created, complete with unique characteristics and potential. This single cell, known as a zygote, begins to divide and multiply, setting the stage for the development of a complex organism. This incredible journey from conception to birth is a testament to the power and complexity of the human body. Each stage of development is meticulously orchestrated, from the formation of the blastocyst to the intricate process of organogenesis. Understanding this process can deepen our appreciation for the miracle of life itself. The transformation from a cluster of cells to a fully formed baby is nothing short of miraculous. This essay will guide you through the key stages of human reproduction, shedding light on the scientific wonders that make life possible. We will explore the fascinating journey from the union of sperm and egg to the arrival of a newborn baby. Each step, from fertilization to the development of the embryo and fetus, is a chapter in the story of life. Get ready to be amazed by the intricate dance of biology and the sheer wonder of new life. Witness the culmination of this journey as a newborn takes its first breath, a moment filled with joy and wonder for parents and humanity alike.
The story of human reproduction begins with fertilization. This is the very first chapter in the creation of new life, a process that has fascinated scientists and lay people alike for centuries. This is the magical moment when a sperm cell from the father meets an egg cell from the mother. It's a moment filled with potential where two cells unite to start a new journey. Imagine millions of tiny sperm cells on an epic race, each one vying to reach the egg. This race is not just a simple swim. It's a complex journey through the female reproductive tract, filled with obstacles and challenges. Only the strongest and luckiest sperm will successfully penetrate the egg's outer layer. This moment of penetration is crucial as it marks the beginning of a new life. Once a sperm cell makes it through, a special barrier forms around the egg, preventing any other sperm from entering. This ensures that only one sperm can fertilize the egg, maintaining the integrity of the genetic material. This fusion of the sperm and egg creates a single cell called a zygote. The zygote is the first cell of a new individual, carrying all the genetic information needed for development. The zygote carries within it the complete genetic blueprint of the new individual, a blend of DNA from both parents. This genetic material will guide the development of the embryo, determining everything from eye color to potential health risks. The journey from zygote to a fully formed human being is a complex and miraculous process, one that begins with this single extraordinary moment of fertilization.
The newly formed zygote doesn't waste any time. It immediately embarks on a journey of rapid cell division. This process is known as cleavage. The zygote divides into 2 cells, then 4, then 8, and so on. As the cells multiply, the zygote travels down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. Along this journey, it transforms into a ball of cells called a blastocyst. The blastocyst is a remarkable structure with an inner cell mass that will eventually develop into the fetus and an outer layer that will become the placenta.
Section 5. Building a foundation embryonic development. The period following implantation marks the beginning of the embryonic stage. This stage, lasting about 8 weeks, is a time of incredible transformation. The implanted blastocyst is now officially called an embryo. During this period, the basic structures of the human body begin to form. The neural tube, which will become the brain and spinal cord, develops first. Soon, the heart starts to beat, and tiny buds that will become arms and legs emerge. By the end of the embryonic stage, all the major organs and body systems are present in rudimentary form.
Section 6. Growing strong fetal development. As the embryo enters its 9th week, it graduates to a new title, a fetus. The fetal stage is characterized by rapid growth and refinement of the structures that were established during the embryonic stage. The fetus's organs mature and become functional. The brain undergoes remarkable development with billions of neurons forming connections. The fetus begins to move and kick, and its senses develop, allowing it to hear sounds and even perceive light. This incredible transformation unfolds over the remaining weeks of pregnancy, preparing the fetus for life outside the womb. Section 7. A new beginning, birth. After approximately 40 weeks of development within the womb, the big day arrives, birth. This period of gestation is a time of incredible growth and transformation, where a single cell evolves into a complex human being, ready to enter the world. The process of labor and delivery is a complex and coordinated event. It involves a symphony of biological signals and physical changes, all working in harmony to bring new life into the world. The mother's body goes through a series of powerful contractions designed to guide the baby through the birth canal. These contractions are rhythmic and intense, each one bringing the baby closer to its first breath. The baby, too, plays an active role in this process, rotating and adjusting its position to navigate the journey. This intricate dance between mother and child is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. The moment the baby emerges into the world, taking its first breath of air, is nothing short of miraculous. This first breath is a powerful symbol of life, marking the transition from the safety of the womb to the vastness of the outside world. It marks the end of one journey and the beginning of another, a lifetime of growth, learning, and discovery. The birth of a child is not just the start of a new life, but also the beginning of a new chapter for the family, filled with hopes, dreams, and endless possibilities. Section 8. The world awaits, postnatal development. The journey of development doesn't end with birth. In fact, it's just the beginning. The postnatal period, encompassing infancy and childhood, is a time of incredible physical, cognitive, and social-emotional development. Babies rapidly gain weight and grow in length. They develop motor skills, allowing them to crawl, walk, and eventually run. Their brains form new connections at an astonishing rate as they learn to communicate, interact with the world, and develop their unique personalities. This period of continuous growth and development lays the foundation for a healthy and fulfilling life.
Section 9. Our blueprint, genetics and you. Throughout this incredible journey from a single cell to a fully formed human being, genetics plays a starring role. The DNA we inherit from our parents, carried within that very first zygote, determines our unique characteristics. Genetics influences everything from our physical appearance, such as eye color and height, to our susceptibility to certain diseases. Understanding the role of genetics in human reproduction helps us appreciate the intricate tapestry of life and the fascinating ways in which traits are passed down through generations.
Section 10. Caring for creation, reproductive health. Given the complexity and importance of human reproduction, caring for our reproductive health is paramount. This means understanding our bodies, making responsible choices about sexual activity and family planning, and seeking regular medical care. Reproductive health care encompasses a wide range of services, including screenings, contraception, fertility treatments, and counseling. By prioritizing our reproductive health, we are taking proactive steps to ensure healthy pregnancies, safe childbirth, and the well-being of both parents and children.